Hey, look what dropped in the post today. Last week I entered a giveaway on Geeksvana's YouTube channel. And I won. I won the giveaway. I haven't won anything since I was about 5 in primary school. We had to put a lolly stick in a sandpit and find the pound note. That's the last thing I won until today. So here we go, let's see what's in the box. Now, Sean has given me explicit instructions not to use a knife to get into this. Okay. Ooh. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Ooh! Look at this. A Geeksvana t-shirt. Oh, that is pretty awesome. Thank you, Sean. That is amazing. I think I'll do the rest of the video in that. Oh, yes. Very nice.
Very nice.
So here it is. Wow. The Feiyutech Vlog Pocket Gimbal. Let's have a look at this baby. Warranty, blah de blah de blah. And there it is. That's a little dancer, that one, isn't it? Size of my hand. Your little pouch. Tripod. And I believe a charging cable. Yes. USB micro charging cable. Great stuff. Whoopsie. So there we are. Feiyutech Vlog Pocket Gimbal. Phonio. Slots in the top here. Get it balanced here. I've unlocked all the gimbal clamps. Switch it on here. I'm switching it on like a DJI bloody drone. Single and double click, it's just one long press. But it seems to have worked anyway. Oh, that's the way of the camera, that's not good. Make sure it's the right way up. That was stupid because the camera was behind the gimbal arm. One long press. There we go. Switch it on. Connect to Bluetooth. Aha, there we go. That's all connected. It's got posh little things like an automatic switch to portrait mode, which we don't use on YouTube. Bloody vertical videos, not permitted. Yeah, there you go. And this all keeps it nice and straight. And this will actually save me buying a DJI Osmo Pocket, which is what I was going to do, because this phone shoots in 4K at 30 frames a second though. I don't know why iPhone don't give you an option to film in 25 frames a second. That's a bit of a pain in the ass. That's the follow. That one's locked. Look, you see, stay in there, no matter what I do. You get some movement on that, can't you? Keeping it still. Oh yeah. I think I'll be vlogging with this. Trigger button does something else. I'm going to download and read the instruction manual. So there you go. My first gimbal that isn't attached to a drone. That's my thorough review. So there you are. I'm a winner. Thanks, Sean, at Geeksvana. Go for drone news, tech, all that sort of stuff. Go to Geeksvana's YouTube channel, link in the description. That guy knows what he's talking about. For a chance to win some wind one on the t-shirt. Oh, I almost forgot. For a chance to win, you must be a subscriber to this channel.